In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can build secret knock door lock. For building, you will need Arduino board, piezo sensor, small geared DC motor, a push button, 2 LEDs, 1 transistor and couple of resistors. As you can see, I have built my secret knock door lock on a breadboard. The piezo sensor is connected, a DC motor will act just like door lock, 2 LEDs, push button and small transistor that will drive the DC motor. To explain how the circuit works, the piezo sensor picks up the knocks, and to enter the secret knock, you need to push the button Now we have entered a secret knock. Let's try it. That was a wrong knock. That is the correct knock. When you want to change the knock, press the button. That's it. Now let's try it. It's working. If you knock a wrong knock, then the DC motor will not turn on. Let's try it. Wrong. Now the correct one. This Arduino project is great. For more information, visit the link below and you will find the schematic and source code. Today's simple life hack with LEDs is positive and negative circuit pan. Basically, detect which is positive and negative pole of power sources like battery and circuit boards. It's made from few components as two one-way diodes, resistors for LEDs around 1 kΩ and two color LEDs, blue for negative and red for positive indication. Right now I'm showing you how I made my circuit pan and what I have used. Circuit of this gadget is in this video. Hello Hacktubers! Simple and easy to make laser alarm that is amazing learning project how laser alarms work. The circuit is made with one NPN transistor, one LED and buzzer, 2 kΩ resistor, one photoresistor and cheap laser module. In next minute watch how I build this gadget and see how it works. Don't forget to like today's project, share with your friends, and for more amazing projects, hit that subscribe button.
Hello Hacktubers! In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make paper speaker. But before I start making, it's good to know that any speaker is made from three important parts, and those are magnet, membrane and copper coil that is inside magnet core. For making paper speaker, of course you will need paper sheet, thin isolated copper wire, a magnet, short cable with 3.5 mm jack and clear tape. So I can test my paper speaker, I'm using small audio amplifier that is powered by small LiPo battery, and I'm gonna send music from my phone via 3.5 mm cable.